gonna start out with a clean and bare face, and then I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face using the makeup primer by Luna Cosmetics. I'll be using the peach corrector from Bobbi Brown to color correct my under eyes. I'm gonna be using the NYX Total Control foundation today as my base makeup, and I'm gonna blend it out using my beauty blender. I'll be using my all-time favorite Maybelline heroine concealer to brighten up my under eyes and also to cover up anywhere else that I need extra coverage. I know what you guys are thinking. We are gonna be baking, right? No, but actually we're just gonna be setting our entire face using the Kat Von D setting powder. And of course I'm going to be contouring the hollows of my cheeks and also my forehead. I really like the Korean style lighter brow look, so I'm gonna go for that, and I'm gonna be using this powder eyebrow kit to line up my eyebrows, and then I will be using a eyebrow mascara to lighten up my eyebrow hair. Instead of using a eye primer today, I will be using a concealer to prime my eyelids, and honestly, I don't see the difference between the two because they both work really well for me. I will start the eye makeup look by applying this taupey beige color as my base transition color. Here I'll be using Peach Tarte, a really warm tone brown, and I will be applying this along my lash line. I will be using Fresh Picked, a light tone peachy brown color to blend out the harsh line of the darker brown color. Since the harsh line is still not really completely blended out, so I will go back in with Peach Tarte to add more of the darker color and also to continue blending out the harsh line upwards. I'm going to use a bronzy shimmer and apply it onto my lid for more definition. I'm gonna go in with Fresh Picked again, and this time we'll be applying it on the lower lash line just to even out the colors. Here I'm just pulling the color into my inner corners so it could have more of that smoky effect. And I'm gonna apply the bronzy shimmer on my lower lash line on the outer corner to create more depth. Remember to blend everything out so it could look more smoky, and it would definitely show through the glasses look that we're going for. For a more dramatic smoky look, you can definitely go in with chocolate dip, which is a really dark tone brown, and you could apply it on the outer corner of your upper lid, and you could just apply it like you're applying eyeliner and just blend it upwards. And here I'm just blending everything out so all the colors can look more even. I forgot to turn on my camera when I was doing my eyeliner, but for a more natural look, I used a brown color eyeliner to finish off the look. For blush, I'm going to use my favorite peachy color from Tarte, and it is called Tipsy. Since I am going to be wearing glasses, I like to blend the blush inwards towards my nose so it can give me more of that blushy, shy look under the glasses. And here I am going to be contouring the sides of my nose using Illamasqua's eyeshadow in Heroine. I will be using the Urban Decay single eyeshadow in Zephyr, and I will be applying it on the inner corners of my eyes. I will be using the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Lighting Dust to highlight my cheekbone and the tip of my nose.
I wanna give you what you want. Give you what you want.
Since I do have a pretty low nose bridge, I like to put some highlight on it so I could bring out the bridge a little bit with the highlight. I have already curled my lashes, and I am going to apply some mascara to avoid applying false lashes because, as I mentioned before, I do have a low nose bridge and my false lashes will be hitting my glasses lens if I do wear them. I'll be applying lip tint to my lips to finish off the look, and of course if you prefer lipstick, that is okay too. But I do love lip tints because the moment it dries on your lips, it does not budge and it does not leave traces, and it's just really good for everyday errands, work, or school. This is just an extra step that I do to add extra colors to my lips. But honestly, we are basically done, guys. I hope you guys enjoy my makeup tutorial for glasses, and make sure to subscribe if you enjoy my content. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!